Lake Linden. Oh, right. Mel's just gone off to the toilet, so there we go, Lake Linden. A little bit of wind actually, so I did check the wind before we left Christchurch. What are you whinging about, dog? So it's not actually too bad in Christchurch, but quiet. But I didn't sort of really look further up here, so drone might be working a wee bit. Hopefully it quietens down a wee bit. Anyway, we'll let the dog out, throw the ball around and see how we go. We're thinking we might end up going up the side road, possibly, but oh well, we'll see how we go. Right, Lake Coleridge. This the side of Lake Coleridge. Really windy. We just flew the drone. Yeah, and got a big huge red warning box saying high wind warning, bring it back and land it straight away. So I did get a little bit of footage just on a little feeder river in through to a bit further west of Coleridge. So I'm going to go take some video footage and then we might shoot down to the Rakaia Gorge, see if it's a bit less windy there. We can possibly take some video footage, some drone footage from there. So anyway, we'll take some footage of Lake Coleridge, and yeah, even the birds aren't flying. There's a few whitecaps out there, so yeah, she's a bit gnarly.